Welcome to Shandong Casen Heat Transfer Technology Company Limited. We are a company specialized in the production of cooling towers. Our company mainly deals in closed cooling towers. Now what you are seeing is one of our company's products. Casen has 4 production workshops, 320 production staff and a 40-person professional technical team, ensuring an annual output of at least 3,000 sets of equipment. The products are all produced with high-quality raw materials. Our products are equipped with multiple interfaces. We can customize the equipment according to your requirements. These are all products that are about to be shipped. Our products have been exported to many countries and are trusted by customers from various countries. If you want to know more, please visit our website or contact me directly.